Alright guys, we're back. Today we're going to work on the S10. Messed with it a little while, see what happens. Got it up on the lift. And it had those big Flowmasters, and that exhaust stuff was on it. And the problem was, I didn't like it. I don't know if y'all zoomed all every which ways. But the daggone, it come off the headers and jumped up high and was right tight against my transmission lines. I didn't like it. And it was all up over all over the transmission pan, so it's gonna be a lot of heat. Kind of just like that one is. So I had all that pieces of exhaust pipe. So we took and made that one where the trans cross member got that step up in it for the original exhaust stuff. So it's clean, it's not hitting nothing, it's got plenty of room to get air around it. So now this side, you can see I'm too close to it. See, this one comes off the header and kicks up, right up all over the transmission pan, and then runs out. The muffler sits all whoppy jawed. So what I'm gonna do is I went and got to a buddy of mine and went and got another one of these transmission cross members this morning. And I think what I'm gonna do is take this one out and cut it. Take this exhaust out, of course. Cut it and turn it up to where it mimics this side. Well, very similar anyway. And then my exhaust pipe can run straight through pretty much just like this one does. And then that'll get me away from the transmission pan and just a lot more clearance. Neater looking little deal to me. And I got room to raise this on up, so I can come on up another inch or two. All I really had to do is come up here to the collector, and cut this pipe off here, and I could raise it on up, weld it back, and I may do that. This was all just putting some stuff together yesterday to see if this is what I wanted, and I think it is. I mean, it's a neater looking deal if I can get it up. Like I say, if I can get it up another, at least get the bottom of it up with the chassis, something of that sort. But we'll see what we'll do. But anyway, I got that other cross member in the hot tank right there cleaning, and we'll get back on this. I'll go ahead and get this other exhaust cut out from under it and get it out of the way. I may go ahead and get this transmission cross member out and see what we're at. But I got that Turbo 350 transmission over there. I got over there on still on the transmission jack. I never took it off. I think I'm gonna build it and then put it in here and take this 200R out. But I don't know. We'll see. We'll come up with something. All right, guys. Let me see if I can get something done, and I'll get back with y'all shortly. All right. All right, guys. I got the other exhaust pipe out and cross member, and I cut it. And the other cross member I got is a little different design. I don't know if I'll be able to marry the two together and be happy with it or not, but anyway. So right up there, I don't know how good y'all can see it, but there's the header. So that'll let me come down off the header, come down and come through and be, I can raise this one on up too. And it's gonna make it a lot neater deal and keep everything away from the shifter cables and transmission as much as possible. But anyway, after all this deal here, I think I'm gonna just go this to the metal shop and pick me up about 8 or 10 foot of, I don't know, 1.5 inch, 2 inch square tubing, something like that, and build one. At least I could make both sides look the same, and it wouldn't look like a bunch of cobbled up crap put together. So anyway, I think that's what we're gonna do, and we'll go from there. Alright guys, I'll see y'all later. Alright guys, we're back. I wound up cutting this whole daggone cross member out and built one. It's flat bar with brown pipe straight across, a piece of angle, drop down with tranny, and same thing over that way. Now hopefully I'm putting exhaust under it now, so hopefully this will let me use these shorter Flowmasters and get them up a little higher. So that's what we're working on anyway. See what we can come up with. Alright, let me see if I can't get this. That might be a little better to look, I don't know. But that's what the cross member does. Okay guys, I don't know how much I got and how much I didn't get. We'll have to figure it out directly. Got my SD card filled up. But anyway, there's the transmission mount. There's this exhaust we're working on. I don't know just what I'm gonna leave and what I ain't gonna leave, but anyway, I'm trying to get it up where it's up closer to the bottom of the chassis as possible. But anyway, there's cross member flat. Had to weld a piece of plate in back here to square that up somewhat. Welded a round pipe, cross angle welded to that, and then plate welded there and bolted through. That'll work. There's my daggone battery cable, ground cable. Need to be over there out of the way. And this side of the exhaust is, for right now, is done. I'm not sure how I'm gonna leave it. Now I'm working on this side here. And we'll see what we can get. But anyway, I'll bring you guys back in just a little bit. Alright. Alright guys, we're back. I got this exhaust finished up. She's a little louder, that's for sure. But anyway, I like the sound of it a little better. I put them little single chamber Flowmasters on it. The turn down right in front of the rear end. It took the bigger ones off. But anyway, I just figured I'd let y'all know we got it finished, it's running. Alright, that's that. And she's loud in here. But I don't remember what part of the video, if any at all, I showed y'all. I picked up a Black & Decker valve grinding machine from my buddy. One he's had ever since I was, I'm 60. And he's had it ever since I was 12, 13 years old. Maybe more longer than that. But anyway, he don't do the stuff anymore, and I wanted the thing. And then got all the seat tools and stuff in there and all that good stuff. So, I think we're gonna build us a little table to put this thing on. And we'll start doing our own valves a mess. Instead of paying somebody else to do it and wait for them to come do it whenever they get in the mood to do it. We're gonna do it ourselves. Talked to a buddy of mine. He's gonna teach me how to do the 3 and 5 angle valves. I've never done that. I've just done straight 45s. So we'll figure it out. But anyway, guys, I figured I'd let y'all know. And that's what we've been up to. So anyway, got the parts ordered for that little 355. So hopefully I get energetic and I'll load the block and take it to Buddy and get him to bore it. And we're gonna make a little 355 out of it. A little hydraulic roller motor. It's actually gonna go in the S10. I'm gonna take 327 out and put it in the 65. May calm the cam down a little bit and change cams. I don't know. We'll figure that out when we get there. But anyway, this will be a 355 flat top motor with the Vortex heads going in here, and it'll be a hydraulic roller. So should be a little stronger anyway. I don't know. We'll see. But anyway, guys, I figure I ain't made one in a week or two. I figure I better get something up and let y'all know what we're up to anyway. All right, guys. I'll see y'all later.